This is a 2017 Mercedes G550. We are doing a rust evaluation on it. It is in for some rust concerns, and this is just one step in the process. We've just marked the areas, a little bit of painter's tape that needs some further exploration. And we have saved many of these G classes over the years. Unfortunately, they do suffer from some common rust areas, one being the windshield frame, another being the kind of back edge of the doors behind the window. Because of this sharp edge, this sharp styling, we can see it'll pick up damage and rock chips from the road. So definitely, send us an email, service@alphacars.com. Send us pictures, your vehicle information. We can work with you on exactly the strategy to restore your G-Class to its former glory. And we have these shipped to us all the time. You don't even have to be local. This specific one is from out in New York.